In this video, we will be demonstrating how to install quarter round. Measure area quarter round will be installed in. Cut quarter round to desired length, making a 45-degree cut on the end that lands in the corner. Install quarter round to baseboard. If applying to a long wall, join the pieces together by cutting opposite 45s on each joining piece. Measure the length of your next wall. Cut to desired length, making a 45-degree cut in the opposite direction of your first cut on the adjoining wall. Slide quarter round into the corner. Make sure that your joints line up correctly. Secure quarter round to base.